What you can't do is what's so popular in 2023 is be passive aggressive and wishy-washy. That doesn't work for pilots. It doesn't work for firefighters. It doesn't work for race car drivers, and it doesn't work in business, right? Hey, I really appreciate it if you get here on time, right? And we could talk about all the stuff on the other side of why that person should be self-motivated and should be getting there on time. But as a leader, you have to also understand that leaders cannot really motivate somebody. They can inspire somebody, right? They can get them fired up. But at the end of the day, if Kyle doesn't give a crap about Kyle's life, and Kyle is not going to be professional no matter what, and Kyle's not bought in. Now, a leader can help somebody find what's going to buy them in, can find that moment, right? A leader can do that all day. Figure out, hey, Kyle, so, man, if you could have anything in the next 5 years, like close your eyes, what does your perfect day look like? Man, I'd love to have a freaking, I don't know, Audi S4, and I'd love to own my own house. Cool. I like that, man. Write that down. Audi S4. When you say own your own house, where do you want to live? Well, I'd like to live in the neighborhood here over here by the office. Awesome, man. How can I help you get there?